Welcome to Speech on Success.
First question. Tsunamis are usually caused by Correct answer B. Undersea earthquakes. Next question. The highest frequency of tornadoes occurs in Correct answer B. USA. Next question. A long period of abnormally low rainfall is called Correct answer D. Drought. Next question. The word tsunami belongs to Correct answer B. Japanese. Next question. Tornadoes are measured using Correct answer B. Fujita scale. Next question. The strongest tornado category is Correct answer D. F5. Next question. Drought mainly occurs due to Correct answer C. Deficiency of rainfall. Next question. Which ocean experiences the most tsunamis? Correct answer C. Pacific. Next question. Tornadoes are most common during Correct answer B. Spring. Next question. The calm center of a tornado is known as Correct answer A. I. Next question. A tsunami can travel at speeds close to Correct answer D. 800 kilometers per hour. Next question. The ring of fire is associated with Correct answer B. Earthquakes and volcanoes. Next question. The opposite of drought is Correct answer B. Flood. Next question. Tornadoes are funnel-shaped because of Correct answer A. Low pressure. Next question. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was caused by an earthquake near Correct answer B. Indonesia. Next question. Drought affects mainly Correct answer C. Arid and semi-arid areas. Next question. Tornado Alley is located in Correct answer B. USA. Next question. Tsunamis have the greatest impact on Correct answer A. Coastal areas. Next question. A severe drought may lead to Correct answer C. Famine. Last question. Tornadoes form when warm air meets Answer in the comment section.